What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys my favorite goop inventions. Let's get started. So first things first, I think we should start off with something smaller. So something like this. So this is a backpack with a boombox on top. It's got a bunch of stuff inside. This costs about 15,000 nuts to spawn in, and yeah. For the next item, we got a double barrel shotgun that I made myself, and I think it looks pretty good. I mean, it's got a stock on it. It's pretty nice, you know. It's got a nice kick to it. But yeah. And for the third item, well, that one costs about 16,000 nuts to spawn. But for the third and final item, we have a plane that I built myself. So first up, you got a plunger right here for the guns. Okay, you move on to the cockpit, and you have, it's a one-seater. There is a tablet to let you know where you're going. We have 2 fans on each wing. Okay, and for the third, we have 2 fans on the back, and another one on the bottom. Now this plane flies pretty well, for the most part. Sometimes it does get glitched, but I'm going to be showing you guys how it flies. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to support me, and thanks for watching.